must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can find another you in a minute. Say you must not know about me. 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 I can find another you in a minute. Matter of fact, you and you in a minute, baby.
So where you going to do now? Jump off?
We're going to buy some liquor to stock the place, you know. Have all the work for doing now.
Come here. I'm nearly a week now. And we not exchange a word. I saw where you going to live?
I say you want to live, and that you for ask yourself.
Camille, I never where you did that think, you know.
What me that think, Trevor? What me that think, eh?
You think say me a nice scene or something?
No. I think he's a liar, Trevor. And you not change your dirty ways. That's what me think.
Camille. I never want to tell you say nice the back in the country because I know how you stay and I know how you going to react.
She not just the back in the country, Trevor. She own a business. Same business where you go multiple times, buy food. And to think of it, you bring the food, come here, make me eat it, and can me go there?
And you eat the food and say the food nice and you want to go there.
And you, Mr. Sir, no say, are your ex-woman place. And you still carry me go there? And you know something to deal with her? None at all?
Me never expect her to do that. Because I call her and tell her say me and you are forward.
Oh. Say you call her. Tell her some me come. So she can stay in the shadows. So when me there, I broke my back, I do the work. You gone for lunch and dinner. Never see smoke without fire. That's why you stop eat lunch here.
You see it? You see it? Me know say I saw you that go behave. Me know say I saw you that go behave, you know. That's why I never want to tell you. That's why I never want to tell you nothing about that.
Hello, look ya. Not gaslight me. Nobody come gaslight me. And keep down your voice to come remember say guess there. Trevor, you think me an idiot? You really take me for idiot. Conveniently, you not tell me because you have your plans, you want to see nicey. So you want to go there for lunch and dinner every day.
Look here, the only reason I go there is to eat.
Eat what?
Fish.
Fish. Ufa fish. Tantrum fish or nicey fish?
No more tantrum fish. Remember, there's a seafood and grill restaurant, you know.
Trevor, Mama tell you this. I'm not going to do that back and forth with you here. So you see if nicey in your life any at all, me can't in your life. As a matter of fact, I'm going to call Mr. Wallace and tell him.
Tell him so.
Me go tell him say somebody else I come work here as the manager. Tired of this.
Camille. Camille, hear me out, man. I'm gonna walk away from me now. Camille, I know some mess up where this is concerned. And right now, these are all of the reason why I never tell you. Because I know why you walk away from me. Not now. Look how things are go good between me and you.
You should have think about that before you link up with her and carry me go up there.
And she come link me.
And you couldn't unlink her.
It's a good reason why she come link.
A good reason. Mother like to hear it.
Nicey, you sure you want to do this?
Listen to me, Busy. You see, if you don't want to come, I can let you off, you know. But I have to make amends with these people.
I don't say I do nothing bad, you know. But the idea just not register in my brain.
I understand what you say. I totally get what you say. But sometimes we have to put your pride aside. And that's what me I go do.
Alright. Just do your thing. Anything where you say.
All along, me there with you, Trevor. And them something they are going in your life. And me no know.
I just never want to get you involved.
Me involved by association, Trevor. Me and you there.
That no means me have to put you in her arms way.
You have short-term memory, Trevor? Who did that when Carlton almost take you out? When King, the righteous of it, take you out. Remember say me make peace for you and them. And me make you have Calder tours now I run. Because me talk to Carlton Wallace.
True, me. I should have really talked to you. I'm sorry.